Classic design, superior quality, versatility. Become the perfect choice for your garden. Classic black, timeless elegance. High quality steel. Easy to maintain, hassle-free. The design featuring flowers and birds is perfect for garden decoration. Strong protection, elegant company. Why choose our black garden fence? The installation is simple. In the details, craftsmanship is revealed. Compared to other products on the market, it shows unparalleled quality. Safeguarding the beauty of the garden. More scene recommendations.